I'm just going to show you how to install Atom editor, and it's as simple to go to atom like that dot io. So when you enter atom.io, let's leave some space for that to load. It's going to come up and then ask you to go ahead and download the one that supports your system format. And I think I've showed you people some kind of how you can check your system. You can see automatically when you come into our Atom website, it's going to give you this page, and the page already is going to dictate your operating system. You can see me, I'm using Linux. Then it's actually asking me to download the Linux what's called extension like that. So once you download it, it's as simple as just click on it, and then everything is going to get installed. So that's how that is actually how Atom works. So this is where you can get Atom, very light editor, and it gets heavier when you begin to hack it. You can see the hackable text editor where you try to manipulate things yourself, try to download a lot of extensions and all. Alright, so that's it. That's how to download Atom. So once you go to this website atom.io, it pop up, then you click on download. It's going to dictate everything for you yourself, the architecture, and so on. Then we just download it ourselves, and then once you click download, your download will start like that. You can see mine, I think mine is about to start. Okay, right, that's it right there. So I'm not going to download it. I have it on my system before. All right.